Quick information on what interferon is part of the immune response. So basically interferon interferes with viral replication. It's part of the immune response. Interferon. So let's say I have one cell and you have another cell. So here's the nucleus and here's the nucleus. And let's say that this cell was infected with the virus, right? So the virus enters, right, here and starts replicating, right? So it replicates its DNA. So the cell, that's injured cell, that's about to die, wants to prevent the spread of the virus into the neighboring cell. So it's basically this cell produces the interferon. So it basically uses DNA, uses the sequence to make a protein. Through the process of protein synthesis, right? So it uses its as a template and makes mRNA for interferon. We discuss what is a mRNA, we discuss transcription, we discuss translations. So it's basically when it's infected and wants to prevent the infection of the neighboring cells, so it uses its DNA ribosomal machinery to go through the transcription translation. So first it's a stress, the stimulus, so it makes mRNA, and then it will produce eventually interferon. It's a protein, a part of the cytokine system. So, and that leaves your system, right? Leaves the cell. And the neighboring cell has this interferon receptor, so interferon binds with this neighboring cell, is basically screaming, well, the neighbors being hijacked, close all your windows and doors, prevent viral spread into the neighbor. So basically what happens here, again within the nucleus, again we're going to use the DNA to make also another mRNA, but this would be antiviral RNA, antiviral mRNA based on this interferon as like a security knock against this viral spread. So now this virus is here, so this cell is already dead. Well, it will go through the apoptosis, to the programmed death. So it's basically this antiviral makes sure when the virus enters, it blocks the entry of the virus or it blocks the replication of the virus based on this interferon. So that basically what interferon is. It's a very basic explanation. That is a interferon. It's a pretty cool system.